Good afternoon, everyone. Are you looking for a rent? A condominium in the heart of Bangkok City at Sukhumvit 61 area. Today, I'm going to take you to show you around of this property. Let's take a look inside. So this unit is very rare item because it's pretty much brand new since the owners purchased this property. They have been living in here since they buy it. So this is very a great opportunity for you to looking for a rent. This located in Sukhumvit 61 is called the Reserves 61, which is row-rise, two buildings, row-rise, and this is unit has situated on the first floor. So pretty much brand new, as you can see here. This you have to imagine that you could have the refrigerator. If you decide to leave it here, we can discuss further to put all the electric stuff for you to stay here and very convenient. So you got here electric stove for your cooking, and you got the electric hood to suck up all the smoke out of the building, and also you have the oven here. So pretty much very convenient. You got the sinks here. So this pretty much like very convenient for you to live here. And also this is very brand new open concepts of the kitchen. As you can see here, slide barn door. You can just close this section for your cooking. Here you go. So you just close up, separate from the kitchen size and also the living area inside. That's pretty much very smart way to design. So you got the cabinet here. You got a cabinet here. As you can see here, still brand new, haven't used. See that? Still covered with a plastic bag. And also you got the box, cabinet box shoes. There you go. This is another one. You can keep your stuff here. Let's take a look inside. So this is located in Sukhumvit 61. We have here, and also you got the bed king size, and also you got a couch, very cozy. This style of the design like contemporary British style. You got, if you live here, we can discuss to put the television here. As you can see here, the chair is still brand new. So you see that? So the tag brand still here. So that can prove the owner haven't been using. So you can close that slide barn door. So let's take a look at the size. So you got the closest glass door, and also I think this is when you close. This is the bathroom slide barn door. Very nice, very cozy and elegant. So let's take a look at the bathroom. So you got the bathroom here. So this unit, not just using these projects, have designed the electric bathroom by using this violet gauge, which is very convenient for you. Okay, for use the toilet. And you got this shower room here. You got rain shower. One bathroom. Here you go. So on my right side, This is the process. It's pretty much very convenient for you to stay or with your partner or maybe just only for yourselves. Very cozy. And you got the desk table, work table here. Let's take a look out there. This unit is asking price for the rent for 30,000 baht per month, looking at 12 months in contract, and we will discuss further. If you need any help, and keep the comment below. Keep in touch and we'll see the next one. Bye for now.